Oh God, dude, you're such a badass.
She is.
So this
Oh, I
is
just
about
heard a hawk.
7 days after Zirini got her shot. And you can see she still has the bite in it.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, we got
Right
company.
up here. Where is it? Oh, I can't. Oh,
Oh, straight up.
straight up there is the
That's one
hawk.
of the kids.
That's one of the fledglings.
Yeah, it is.
Look at that. You hear him? Whoops, sorry. Oh, he's gorgeous. His nest is just a couple houses down. That's one of the ones we're keeping an eye on. Well, his parents. For this little Ruger. Oh, he's just hovering right there.
Beautiful.
Let's get him back in frame. It's a red-tailed hawk, baby. Pretty big-ass baby.
No, there's one over there calling.
Oh, and there's another one.
That's not him.
I can't see the other one.
That's mom or dad or sister. That's. Yeah,
oh, yeah, the other one's in the field.
Yeah.
Just went down into the field. Huh. Earlier we saw him with a rat.
Oh, magpie.